These AI pet animal videos are blowing up on YouTube right now and pulling millions of views. And the best part is you have the opportunity to become one of them today. Because in this video, I am going to show how to create these type of videos, and it's 100% free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. I had specifically designed this prompt for this type of content. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will provide us 10 different topic ideas for our video, like different type of pet animals. For example, I am going with sixth one. I will type 6 here, and then GPT will provide us a detailed image prompt and related video prompt for our video. Copy the image prompt. Head over to Flow AI. Here, choose Create Image. Choose your desired settings. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. And look, our image is ready. Now let's turn it into a video. Choose Create Video and select Frames to Video here. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Hit Generate, and within seconds our video is ready. Take a look. It looks exactly the kind of we want. Save it. And that's it, your AI pet animal video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. The master prompt link is in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped, and we will meet soon in next one.